Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have admin rights and licenses. Start by verifying coexistence mode and export critical Skype data. Open the Teams Admin Center, then select Org Settings to enable coexistence policy so presence and messaging begin syncing. Once done, assign the migration policy to pilot users and test accounts. Make sure client versions are up to date. You'll run a staged rollout, start small to observe behavior, then expand. This prevents mass disruption while forwarding core functionalities into Teams. Now you perform the detailed migration steps. Enable chat federation and messaging migration in the Admin Center so historical chats can move. Verify Azure AD attribute mapping so display names, groups, and SIP addresses align. Mismatch causes delivery failures. Use PowerShell to run bulk user migration commands and monitor progress with logs. Once executed, recheck client settings and mobile sync. Make sure to update DNS/SIP routing only when pilot users show stable behavior. This avoids voice and presence. Complete the migration by switching routing to Teams only once pilots confirm messaging, calls, and meetings work. You'll update user policies to Teams, decommission Skype for business components where safe, and confirm voicemail, call queues, and auto attendance function. After migration, clear client caches and prompt users to sign out and back in. If something goes wrong, check migration logs, Azure AD sync status, and client versions. Most issues resolve by fixing attribute mappings or reapplying policies and rerunning the migration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.